Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to request a refund on eBay. So this is going to be an eBay refund guide for 2025. Now, if you have an issue with what you bought, contact the seller. So most sellers will respond if you let them know that there's a problem. To message them, simply go to your purchase history, go down the thing that you purchased, then click more actions and click contact seller. Select whatever option and go down and click the blue button that says contact the seller. Now, describe your problem to the seller and be as detailed as possible and attach any photos if that is relevant. Now, you'll have to wait for a maximum of 3 days for a response. If the seller does not respond, it's time to use eBay's money back guarantee, which is what I did to get my refund. So, your step 2 is using the eBay's money back guarantee. So you'll have to make sure that you do this step under 60 days of buying your item or the time frame will have passed and you won't be able to use eBay's money back guarantee. Now, simply go back to your purchase history, click on more actions as same as last time, but this time select I didn't receive it. Now, on this page, select whichever you prefer, either a refund or another item. So we'll have to choose refund and a message is always required. So if you will need a refund, you'll have to say something like, this product that I bought never arrived and I would like a refund please. You can be more elaborate than that. And that's all there is to it. You will get your refund either through the seller or eBay. Also, you can check the status of your request. So if you have requested a return or reported that you didn't receive your order, you can check your open request. So you'll have to click on check the status of my request button and there you will see the seller's replies and details on what you need to do next. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.